don't hurt. Pain don't hurt. Guys, we opened up this care package from PS Seasoning. Check out these awesome, cool, just in time for the summer, awesome glasses here, guys. I'm going to try them on. They fit pretty nice. Check it out. They look really, really, really cool. I like the little care packages that they send. It's always full of some goodies here. We've got a mug for your soda pop or any other cold drink that you want to put in it. Maybe even coffee or hot cocoa. Hot cacao. This is their PS Seasonings launch for the mugshot BBQ sauce. It's a root beer infused BBQ sauce, and you guys know that PS Seasoning puts a lot of thought into their rubs and spices and their sauces, and you guys know that it's just gonna be absolutely delicious. They even sent me a nice, awesome can of some Jolly Good root beer, and I have not tasted it yet. I figured I would do it on one of the lives coming up. Nice little flags for your sandwiches or your whatever creation you're gonna do. Little toothpicks, cool little stickers here. I need to start rebuilding my sticker board, and some Jolly Good stickers. Really cool care package here, guys. So today's cook, just to sample this sauce, I have decided, oh, and they sent me a little beach ball. Can't forget the beach ball. Really cool. Somebody in the house has already claimed it, though. That's why I almost forgot about it. I've got quite a bit of the selection of rubs, PS Seasoning selections here. But for these wings, guys, I think I'm just going to go old school. And you can't go wrong with the BBQ General from PS Seasoning. Excellent SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic, and other secret spices. Really good, flavorful SPG. Couple of packs of chicken wings here from my local HEB grocery store. I was just gonna rub them down with some of this the General BBQ. We're gonna also fill up that hopper with some of these amazing Bear Mountain BBQ smoky wood whiskey pellets. And I also have a Tex-Mex Kessel from a local HEB that I had in the freezer that I bought a couple of weeks back. But I'm going to just go ahead and cook it here. And we're going to go in with that 0 to 400 method, which I happen to really enjoy on chicken wings on this bullseye. On this cooker, on this particular cooker. The 0 to 400 method is absolutely perfect for chicken wings. So if you're not familiar with the 0 to 400, you just load up your cooker with all of your proteins and then turn it on to 400 degrees. And like within an hour, you have the perfect, crispy, awesome, delicious chicken wings. Perfectly cooked. Crispy skin and everything. I got that cheese right there in the center. You got like 4 different kinds of cheeses with brisket and some pico. I just happen to really enjoy that dip. But before I get any further, I forgot to put some more of that SPG, the BBQ General rub, into that dip. And just kind of top off some of the other bald spots that I saw when I loaded up the cooker. As the cooker gets up to temp, this queso dip is going to get there fairly quickly. You can see the top layer just starting to kind of toast on us. And we're ready to mix that up a little bit. That dip is just about done. I'm just going to mix it up a couple of times and pull it. Man, look at that deliciousness. Just look at that. You can just mix it, break down that little beautiful toasty bubble of deliciousness. Scrape your sides. Mix it up. Spilt a little bit in the grill, but it's okay. And I'm going to close the hood there for another few minutes and then pull the queso dip because it's done. And I'm just showing you guys the deliciousness that's hidden inside that dip. absolutely delicious, guys. I love making nachos out of this stuff. So after it was done, I pulled it and I just put it in my foil tray. I'm just kind of letting it rest in there. I put a top on it. I get those foil trays from a local grocery store. They come with plastic tops. And here's that mugshot BBQ sauce, guys. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna apply it to these wings individually. Just a little, you know, a little glob of sauce on each one of these drumlets here. I'm gonna come back with my brush, and I'm gonna brush it in. And guys, this sauce is smelling pretty freaking good at this point. I'm getting the scent, you know, coming off because it hit the bottom of the grill, and it is putting off some aroma, some delicious aroma. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush these wings. Shout out PS Seasoning. This sauce is absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna do some ribs with it. Actually, I can't wait. By the time you guys watch this video, I have already done ribs with it, and I guarantee you they're gonna be delicious too. But this sauce, I really wanted to try it on pork after I tasted these wings. I think it's gonna be fantastic. So stay tuned, and we'll get that cook done. Got plenty of that sauce left over. Look at the beautiful color. I put the wings back and then just kind of set, you know, have the sauce set up. And man, they came out absolutely fantastic, guys. I pulled them, I rested them for a good 10 minutes before I started eating them. And everybody in the house loved it. Everybody in the house really likes that sauce. I've done some pork chops with it. Fantastic. But man, I'm telling you, I can't wait to do the ribs. I'm excited about that. And there's your finished product, guys. You got some amazing root beer infused BBQ sauce, chicken wings with some queso, brisket, pico, 4 or 5 different kinds of cheeses in that dip. Absolute deliciousness. This didn't last long in the house when I took it in. I normally plate it up for you guys, but it didn't make it. Peace out.